Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can use the split command in CATIA. Okay, let's go. The first thing that you need to do here is to go to the start, then shape, then generative shape design, then try to enable the every design option, then create a geometrical set, then you click on OK. Next you go to the XY plan, then you click on sketch. Okay, so you click on this line to draw a line like this. Okay, so we're gonna use the constraint command to click on this line, then on this axis I'm gonna add here an angle of 45 degrees. I'm gonna add a constraint between this point and this axis, 50 degrees. Then I'm gonna do the same thing between this point and this axis. Then I'm gonna exit the workbench. I'm gonna come back to the same plan. Okay, I'm gonna click on sketch. I'm gonna draw another line like this. Okay, then I'm gonna add an angle between this axis, 45 degrees. Okay, I'm gonna add here 50 millimeter between this point and this axis, 50 millimeter. I'm gonna add the same value between this point and this axis, 50 millimeter. Then I'm gonna exit the workbench. Okay, so I created two sketches. Then I'm gonna go right now to the extrusion or extrude command, or you go to insert surfaces, then you click on extrude. Okay, I'm gonna click on the first sketch. I'm gonna add here, instead of 20 millimeter, 50 millimeter. Then you click on the mirrored extent, then you click on OK. So you do the same thing for this second sketch. You click on extrude, then the second sketch, then you click on OK. You hide the first sketch, then the second sketch. Okay, next you go to insert, then you click on operations, and then you click on split. Okay, so let's say that you want to keep only the first part of the first surface, then you keep all the second surface. All that you need to do here is to click on the first surface, then the second surface. In this case, the second part of the first surface will disappear if I click OK. Let's come back to the first result. Now let's say that you want to keep the first surface, then delete the second part of the second surface. Okay, all that you need to do here is to go to the split command. Okay, you click on the first part of the second surface, then you click on the first surface. Then as you can see here, I will keep the first part of the second surface and I will keep all the first surface. Okay, as you can see here on the screen, this is how you can use the split command in the generative shape design workbench of CATIA. Thanks for watching.